All right, greetings, and welcome back. So, in this segment of the training, we are going to get into the nitty-gritty. We're going to get into creating your Facebook ads. So, I know this is what all of you have been waiting for. So, let's jump right into it. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to create a business manager account. And we're going to use this account to run your Facebook ads through instead of using your personal account to run your advertisement on Facebook. All right, so we're going to run your ads using a Facebook business account instead of your personal account to leverage your power as a business and give you more options and latitude in case you violate any of Facebook's terms and marketing guidelines. So we're going to create your Facebook Business Manager account. So what we're going to do, we're going to open up a browser, a new window, and just type in business.facebook.com. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm reading to you right now. I just want to go through everything, and then we're going to go live, and I'm going to walk you through the process, and you can see exactly how I'm going to set up your business Facebook account. All right, so once we go to businessfacebook.com, we're going to create an account if you don't already have one set up. And then you're going to use the same login information that you would use for your own personal account. All right, so then as your account is set up, we're going to set it up as an agency, not as an advertiser. All right, so once you are logged in, you're going to click on the box in the left corner next to where it says Business Manager, and you're going to text and go to the Business Manager settings. Then you're going to click on Add New to add a new ad account. And then we're going to add as many accounts as possible in the event that Facebook closes any one of your ad accounts down. You will still have options and use the other remaining ad accounts that you have just set up. And this is the main reason why you want to set up a business manager account. So because if you were just to run your ads the old traditional way of doing it, and you used your personal account and Facebook came and shut down any of your ads, then you would not be able to run any more ads using your personal account. And then you would have to create a new Facebook profile, new Facebook account in order to run some more ads. And you don't want to really go through that hassle. I've been through it many times, and that's why I have now 3 different Facebook pages, personal pages, because my ads got shut down the first 2 times, because I was out there doing everything that went against Facebook guidelines. I was new to the marketing and advertising on Facebook, so I didn't really know what I was doing, and that's why I had to get my pages shut down, and I had to create a new personal Facebook profile so I can set up a new account to run some more ads. But now you won't have to go through that because we're going to set up your business manager account. And so your ads are going to run through this account instead of using your personal profile to run your Facebook advertisement through. All right, so let me take you over to the Facebook Business Manager and show you exactly how this is going to work out. All right, so let me just slide my screen over here. Okay. All right, so let me move my up a little bit. Okay, so you can see the URL there. All right, so that is the web address. It's business.facebook.com. And all you're going to do once you're over to the site, you're going to click on create account if you do not have one already set up. All right, and then you're going to be brought over to this page here. So then you're just going to type in your business name. Now you can use whatever name you desire. You can use your own personal name, the name of your business. It really doesn't matter. This is only for your own personal reference. So I'm just going to put Rob's Business. Okay, and click on continue. Okay, you put in your business email, whatever that is. Click finish, and then your account will be set up. All right, so let me just pause this video real quick, and I'm gonna go ahead and log in and show you what we're gonna be doing over there. Okay, so now you're looking here at my business manager account. I know you guys had a couple more steps to go through before you actually get over to this page here, but I couldn't go through that process with you because I already have my page set up. So all you need to do over there before you get to this step is just make sure you click on the operating as an agency instead of an advertiser, and there are two more minor steps, I believe, but they have the video instructions there that'll walk you through it. All right, so once you have been logged in, and we're going to go ahead and start creating some of your ad campaigns. All right, so what you want to do, you want to click here where it says Business Manager. Just click on that, and then we're going to hover over all tools, and then we're going to scroll all the way over to the right and go to Business Manager Settings and click on that. All right, so then this tab is going to open up. So now we can go ahead and start creating new ad accounts. So as you can see here, I have set up 4 ad accounts for myself as of right now. So I'm going to add a couple of more, and you guys, I encourage you to, set up as many ad accounts as you like, or as Facebook will allow. All right, so all you're going to do, all right, as you can see these different icons over here to your left. So you're just going to hover over this one, which is the third from the top, and it says add accounts. You're going to click on that. All right, and then let me move my window over a little bit so you can see. Okay, so I wish I can widen my screen. All right, but so all you want to do now, okay, all you want to do now is click on add new accounts. So you're going to click on that. It's going to open up this tab and scroll to the bottom, create new ad account. Okay, so now you're going to enter in your ad account name. All right, so you want to use the same name. Mine is Rob Mccray Marketing, as you can see there. So I'm going to go Rob Mccray Marketing, and this is going to be my 5th actual ad account. So I will put the number 5 in. Okay, so it says advertising on behalf of Rob Mccray Marketing. That is me. All right, your time zone, you put in your corresponding time zone. Currency, which dollar are you going to be using? So US dollars. And payment method. No payment methods available for this particular ad, but you can put in your payment information on the next step. Let me just show you that real quick. All right. So, okay. All right. So you are currently have ad account admin permission on this asset. Okay. All right. So we'll skip that. Okay, you've just created a new ad account, Rob Mccray Marketing 5. All right, so now it says here to use this ad account, you'll need to select a payment method. If you need to set up a new payment method, please go to Payment Methods and add a payment method for your business. Now, when you set up your first ad account, you want to do this. So I'll just click on that and go over that with you real quick. Okay, so Rob Mccray Marketing does not have any payment methods set up yet. So you're just going to click here, add payment method, and put in all your information. And you only need to do this like for one, maybe you can go ahead and set it up for 2 accounts. Use a different credit card for the, well, yeah, I would say use 2 different cards for each account. Any more accounts that you're going to open up after that, you don't have to necessarily put the payment method in yet. This is only going to be like a reserve ad account that you're going to use in the event that your other ads accounts get shut down. All right, so just put your payment information on 1 or 2 accounts at the most, and just leave the other ones with no payment method as for right now. All right, so then we're just going to go ahead and repeat the process. So I just use the back arrow and set up a couple of more accounts. Like I said, you can set up as many as you like or as many as Facebook will allow you to do. I know when I initially set up my Facebook ads through the business manager account, they only allowed me to set up 2 at a time. And then after a few months, then they started to allow me to add some more ad accounts. So if you're only able to add 2 ad accounts at this particular time, that's fine. Just go ahead and do that, and then you'll be able to add some more additional accounts in the future. But if you are able to add more accounts, go ahead and do so. And you're just going to repeat the process that we just went through. You're going to click here, add new accounts, create new ad account, put in your ad account name, and just click on create account and follow that process. All right. So that's going to conclude this segment of the training. So if you found value in this video, please by all means leave us a comment below and hit that like button. And also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And I'm going to be redirecting you over to some other training videos that are relevant to this particular topic. Thanks for watching.